Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get and use emote icons in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Emotic by Futuristic Go. On the first you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. You'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now once again scroll down below again. I will see here tons of APK files. So you can download any APK files whichever supports on your respective Android smartphones. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Click on install. Now just click on open. Now you can see here tons of pre-included emote icons as you can see. So this is not an emoji, this is emote icons which you can use in the social media including the normal text SMS also. So in order to copy it, you can just click on the respective emote icons. You can see copy it to the clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere wherever you want to use it. So you can see here it's in the clipboard. Now if I click on it, you can see I can add it anywhere. So similarly you can select multiple emote icons whichever you want, or if you don't find your respective emote icons then you can just search here. So you can see all the emote icons related to my search results. So by using this application named as Emotic application, you can easily get and use emote icons in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.